Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete messages on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete messages on your Messenger, you can simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you open your Messenger app, you can simply scroll down below and go to any of the chats you want to delete your message from. So once you have opened the chat box, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap hold the message you want to delete. Once you have done this, you can find the delete option, which is indicated by a trash bin option. So simply tap on it, and now you can get two options. Either you need to delete it for everyone, that is you and the other person, or you can even delete it for yourself only. So if you want to delete it from like both the platforms, simply tap on delete for everyone. Now that particular message will be deleted from both your profile as well as their chat box. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.